tailbone, keeping your leg fully straight. Try to lift your left leg as high as you can. Good, and your right. Good. Left was harder.
Yeah.
Alright, try it again, left. Nice, got it up higher and right. Even, good job.
It's amazing how just that little adjustment.
Isn't it? Breath in and out. Yeah. Tailbone was moved. Wasn't a ton, which was good, but instead of being here, it was doing this,
Probably from the
which
car
prevents this from being able to extend back.
Maybe we'll go over to my parents' house.
The USA has their first one tonight. All right, 5 minutes on the plate.
All right.
Have a phenomenal one.